This set of lines forms a triangle. Find its area and perimeter. Okay, class, don't you be lazy. You graph this one with me. I'm going to start out with the easy one. X is equal to 0. I know you're impressed. Pick the easy one first, right? So here's x is equal to 0. I'm going to make it, heavy enough so that you can see. Yes, it's kind of messy, but you get the drift. Okay, the next one, let's do this one next. Y is equal to 1/2 x plus 1. I'm going to make this green. So I know that it's crossing the y-axis at +1. I know that the rise over the run is 1/2. So up 1/2, up 1/2. It looks like my calibration is off a little bit here on my Vimeo. Okay, down 1/2. So here's the graph of that one. Doing the best I can here with that. Okay, the last one, let me make that one red. Y is equal to x minus 1, so it crosses down here at -1. And it looks like the rise over the run is 1/1 positive. So we got this kind of shape going on here. See, it's going like this, right? Oh, we've got an intersection here. So do you see our triangle? Right here's our triangle, people. We outline it in green here. See that? Okay, so remember the formula for the area of a triangle is A is equal to 1/2 base times height. Well, where can we go to find the base? I'm recommending that you find the base right here because that is an easy 2 to identify. All right, so the base is 2. What is the height? Well, don't be confused. The height has to be perpendicular to the base, which means that our height is going to come out here. It's an auxiliary line essentially, but notice that this is the very top of the triangle. So that means our height comes all the way out here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like it's 4 units tall. Okay, so the area is equal to 4. Okay, oh, that was pretty easy, wasn't it? Okay, the perimeter might not be quite as easy, but it won't be too bad. Okay, we know this portion of it is 2. Okay, so the perimeter is 2. Now we need to find this distance using the distance formula. Okay, so let's be honest. I like the distance formula, but you can also just do it using the Pythagorean theorem, which is where the distance formula comes from. So I'm trying to find this line right here. So I know it's going to be the Pythagorean theorem is built right off of this. So this is 2. This is 4, which means that this is going to be 2 squared, which is 4, plus 16. So this length right here has to be the square root of 20. You follow that? Plus the square root of 20. Ooh, I shouldn't use yellow there for that. Let's go plus the square root of 20. Okay? Now, we need to find this other length here as well. Okay? We need to find this length here because that's part of our perimeter as well. Class, look, it's right here. You see we've got the Pythagorean theorem sitting right here. This distance right here is 4. This distance right here is 4. So that's 4 squared plus 4 squared, which is the square root of 32. So we have plus the square root of 32. Now, it did not tell us that we had to write it in simplified radical form, so I didn't even take time to simplify these things in simplified radical form. I just entered this, this, and this in my calculator, and I got approximately 12.13 units. Okay, this one up here was units squared because it was area. Okay, I hope that's right. If you see a mistake, please let me know and I'll fix it.